If you're ordering your suit online, this video is here to help you get the right suit with confidence. Now, just to set some expectations from the start, it is very rare to find an off-the-rack suit that fits you perfectly straight out the box. Everyone's body's a little different, but that is completely normal. But with the right measurements, you'll get a better chance of getting the ideal suit that will only need a slight few adjustments made to it, whether that's a trouser leg taken up or a sleeve taken up or something very minor like that you can get done from your local tailor for a fraction of the cost of a made-to-measure suit. Our goal with this video is to be completely transparent, and if your suit doesn't fit perfectly out of the box, that doesn't mean it's the wrong size. It can mean it'll just need to take it to a tailor to get some slight alterations done to it to make it perfect for you. And that is also why, if you think you're in between two sizes, we would always recommend going for the larger one because it's easier to get something taken in than to get something let out. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to take each of the key measurements from our supplier's size guides that's on every single product page on our website. We've also added some timestamps below on the video so you can skip exactly where you need to be to take the right measurements for you. Let's get started. So, starting off with your chest, we'll take a tape measure around the widest part, usually across the nipples, and make sure your arms are relaxed and down by your sides. Don't puff your chest out, just stand naturally. This will give you a pretty clear indication of what size blazer you should go for. This number in inches typically matches your blazer size, so if your chest measures 40 inches, you'll usually be looking for a size 40 jacket. Next up is the sleeve length. You'll want to measure from the tip of your shoulder seam straight down to your wrist bone. We recommend measuring to the wrist bone as that gives you just the right amount of shirt cuff showing, but sleeve length is personal and you can tweak it to how you like it. Most of the jackets we sell come with around an inch of hem that a tailor can let out if you've got longer arms, and if the sleeves need shortening, that's a simple, affordable alteration. To measure the back length, take your tape measure from the base of the collar straight down to the bottom hem of where the jacket would sit. Ideally, the blazer should finish around the seat, not too short and not too long. Now for the waistcoat. The chest measurement you took earlier will play a big role in choosing the correct size. The waistcoat should not be tight under the armpits and should not show any signs of gaping at the buttons. This is a sign that your waistcoat is too tight. Again, to measure the back length, go from the base of the collar down to the bottom hem of where the waistcoat should sit, ideally around the waist as the name suggests. All of our waistcoats come with either side adjusters or a rear buckle to give you a better fit around the waist. Common alteration we see with waistcoats, especially with shorter customers or prom fits, is having the waistcoat lifted. If you notice excess fabric bunching near the seat at the back, a tailor can lift the waistcoat by adjusting at the shoulders to give a cleaner silhouette. We still recommend going true to size in the chest so it doesn't gape under the arms. Now for shirt sizing, this usually starts with the neck measurement. If you wrap a tape measure around your neck, either add half an inch or just pop a finger in between the tape and your neck so it's snug but not too tight. When buttoned up, you should be able to comfortably fit a finger between your neck and the collar. Any looser and the collar might slump and your tie won't sit right. And for the chest and sleeve length measurements, these are taken in exactly the same way we showed before earlier with the blazer. Now for the trousers, grab a pair that already fit you well, lay them flat on the floor and measure the waistband from one side to the other. This will give you the width which matches how our suppliers size their garments, but keep in mind suit trousers usually run one size up from your jeans. To get your inside leg measurement, line up the pleats and lay the trousers flat on the floor. Fold one leg over and measure from the crotch seam down to the bottom hem. Again, like the jacket, our trousers also come with an extra inch of hem if they need to be longer. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, we thank you so much for watching and we hope this gives you all the confidence you need when ordering a suit online. If you've got any questions at all, make sure that you email us or call us before placing your order, as we'd always like to talk you through it, get the right measurements and hopefully you get the right suit first time. Looking your best shouldn't be stressful and we're always here to help.